So I actually thought I was recording, but I was not recording. So now I'm gonna have to go through it all over again. But then it's no problem. Doing it for you, something you wanna learn. Yeah. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. But then once you get this, going far, going far. So I'm just gonna go on the higher time frame. I'm just gonna go on the higher time frame. I'm just gonna go on the lower time frame, just show you the entries and all that stuff. You know, do this kind of thing. Guys, I'm gonna start with this one on the second because on the first I didn't trade. So what I was actually looking for here, I was looking for lower prices. I was looking for lower prices. So the first thing that I saw here, I marked it my New York Open here. New York Open zone. So I'm expecting price to go up because I'm looking for sales. Expecting price to go up, and price did go up. After going up, then it made what? Made a market structure shifted and made what? And CB here and CB here. So always I'm advising when you see two CBs or three, you should enter on this one, on the low of this candlestick here, so that you don't miss the move and the original move that is gonna happen. So you wanna target this low here, and then you're gonna maybe hold until maybe 4 o'clock and see where the market goes you, but you should take partials on this low here. So this is our entry for the second or fourth one. Not too much, guys. So the thing that I'm marking, I'm going to 8:30 New York session. Then I mark my midnight open. Then I look where the price is going. After where I look the price is going, I mark my morning. This is my morning, not midnight. And my morning open this one. So I marked that one. I want to see price go up before going down. So you can also see, but the price didn't come there. So also see this one, I'm gonna get on this one, target these lows, and maybe hold until here if you wanna hold. So that's the first trade for the 2nd of January. Let's go on the 3rd. On the 3rd, what I saw is this buy side liquidity and this sell side liquidity on London. So I'm gonna mark that and mark that. I was also gonna mark this one. Let's see, because this is the latest one compared to this one, and also this also in CB here. You understand? So I was gonna mark this one, actually this one here, because this two PDRAs, there's a CB, there's also liquidity resting above here. So I'm expecting this liquidity to be taken and the price to reprice on this CB here. Then I'm gonna expect a drop in the 5 minute. So what really happened here is that really happened is what happened. So my entry was going to be after this liquidity is taken here, and I know this is a C. I was gonna place my entry on this half of the CV, my stop loss above here, my take profit this low here, because this was a new low. It's not gonna target this one, so that's why it's a nice 4:1. So the reason what you're looking for is for liquidity to be taken, then liquidity to be taken. You're waiting for a CV if it's bearish to be created, then you're waiting for price to come there, and then go lower to target the liquidity that's on the opposite side. So you can see this is one liquidity was taken here, was also taken here. What I'm targeting the next sell stops that will be resting here, because this one's already taken. I was gonna target this one. So reason why I'm entered on this one is because I saw this one on the 1 minute time frame. So what really happened, the market came here, it made a CV on the smaller time frame. As you can see that I also marked it there, my stop loss above here. Then I took that one, but then this one is not really playing the logic correctly, because I want to see liquidity be taken first, and liquidity was not taken there yet, you understand? So here it makes more sense. Liquidity taken, this also is CV, which means that's a lot of confluences, then targeting the lows. Then that's when I was gonna enter on the second trade. Then on the third trade, this is my buy side liquidity here, because you can see here, this is the highest one. You cannot place this one because it's not higher than this one, so this one is not higher, so I'm gonna take this one actually. Say I mark my new morning open. I wanna see price go up. Even went up to this New York midnight open. You see price even went up there. Then I saw liquidity being taken. After liquidity being taken, what I wanna see next, I wanna see a CV. Then after liquidity taken, I wanna see a CV. I saw a CV. My entry is going to be here. Then I was going to target what? I was going to target this low here. So this is the fake move before the original move that was happening. So my entry was going to be here. Targeting what? Targeting these lows here. Or want to target these lows if you can hold trade. So you can see that's when this was going to be a nice risk reward ratio. Now put your stop loss here. Then target the lows here. Understand? Simple. That was it. This on the 4th. This is Thursday. This was gonna be your entry for Thursday. So what I saw liquidity being taken. Then I wait for what? After liquidity, I wait for a CV to be created. CV was created. I want to see price go there. Price did go there, and price did what? Went down. So guys, I'm also still learning on this one. I'm not perfect. I'm trying my best, like, to get this. I wanna know this, guys, with all my heart, and I'm still learning. I'm still trying to get it, guys, and I'm gonna get it. I'm telling you, guys, I'm coming for this very hard, and once I get it, guys, you will see. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be making crazy moves, guys. I'm gonna be making crazy money. I'm gonna be making crazy money. So I wanna see the new midnight open. So price, it's 162. Price 16272. 16272. 16272.36. Open. No, New York midnight, I mean. New York midnight open. Then we're gonna go to a New York morning open. So This guys was Friday yesterday. This is Friday, guys, on the 5th. This is Friday on the 5th. This is Friday on the 5th. See how to mark out my pen. That's my new open. So like I was saying, this is now NY open. So when the price is bullish, I'm expecting price to see price go down here on the new morning open. If price is bearish, I'm expecting price to go here for it to go down. So what happened on NFP? Go up, go up, come down here. So what really happened? Price did come down. Did what? This sell side liquidity that was resting above here. This sell side liquidity that was resting above them. And this is our buy side liquidity here. You see? So after the price patched the liquidity here, it expanded higher. So this was manipulation. Wanted people to come in here and then make the right move. This is why a lot of people lose their money. But then if you go and target this low, I'm just gonna make money. But I'm not suggesting guys you should not take trades based on what I'm saying here, because I'm also still learning this. I'm not perfect. I'm still finding my way. I'll get there. So then since we don't find a trade here, but you can see the price is banded higher, then move to a lower time frame. I like to go to the 1 minute time frame this night, because so I'm gonna find my early entry. I'm gonna have a good stop loss, nice good entry. So I switch to this one. I switch to this one. So what you can see here is actually this first, but then okay, we can see this, but then you see there's no market structure shift where the market shifted, didn't shift anywhere there. So but you can see market did mix mirror shift on this low here. This one market mirror shift on this here. Then you can see this one here. So I was not gonna be looking at this one, even though if I looked at this one and said okay fine, this is the one, my stop loss was going to be here. Even if it was here, my stop loss was not going to be hit. So you see, I was still gonna be safe there. But then I'll be focusing on this one here. Focusing on this one here. This is my CV. BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficient. And I was gonna enter my trade on this one, another entry, second entry on the half of this one. Then I was gonna target these highs here and my buy side liquidity that was because they are sales buy stops that are resting above here. So my entry was going to be like this. See, I'm gonna take partials here. Then I was gonna take my trades off here because I had in mind that the market is bullish for this week. So this was gonna be the trade. This is how you trade NFP. This is a two-stage thing. There's manipulation, which is the wrong move, and let's say a really good move that you should be looking at. So the reason why I lost my trades because I placed sell limits, you understand? And after placing those sell limits, market did come to my sell limit, but then I made analysis and I was correct with my analysis on pre-market, but then I did what? I changed my analysis. I overanalyzed actually. So I want to show you that. So this week we're on a drop down of 1,887.88 loss for week one. So we ended this week on a drawdown, but then we're gonna come back. So I'm gonna show you what happened this week, and so you can also learn something. So I'm trying to be as transparent as I could be. You can see on the second I did not take any trade, but then you see there was a setup, and on the third, listen, what happened? Oh, on the third is where I took the loss of 1.5. So let's see why I took the loss, because I do channel this thing. Do channel these things. Do channel. Let's see why I took the loss.
She fucking for sons. I wanna be like Muhammad Ali. Hang on the ropes and I beat you to sleep. Talk they get money, cause talk is too cheap. Call the million when you open my brief.
So here it is. So what's really happening here is I took my trade here, actually here. Then what really happened? I was stopped out. The reason why I was stopped out, you see, I took the middle. I took the trade in the middle. There was no liquidity being taken here. There was no market structure shift here. So what really happened? I should have waited for this sell side liquidity stop that are resting here to be taken here. And these ones were taken. These were used. Also, these ones were taken here. So my end was supposed to be here. Understand? So I was supposed to wait for an entry here on this candlestick on a 1 minute time frame after this liquidity was patched here. Then I was gonna target my profit on this high here. But then what I did is there was no market structure shift. That's why I lost. London low sales liquidity was not swept. This one, this one, price was also what bearish, and price, the reason why it was going up is because it was tracing to this fair value gap, and there was a void below that was not filled, and price was expanding to it. So you see, I didn't notice all those things. I did notice them, but then I ignored them. And so that's the thing I should fix as a trader too. So another thing here, this trade was a good trade, but then I didn't enter it good because you can see that the imbalance here is buy stops here that were taken inside what in a CV. So two confluences, this was just going to be a strong setup, and I was gonna enter this trade, my stop loss above here, then I was gonna target this lows here, or target the liquidity void that was below there. So that was a trade. That's what the reason why I lost it, the 1.5 is because of that. It's because of that. That's my reason for losing that one. So guys, I want you to see my journey. So like, no, this thing is there, but then there are mistakes that you're gonna do also as a trader that you're gonna regret doing at some point, you understand? But then you're gonna learn from them. You're not gonna regret, you're actually gonna learn from them. So this was on the 4th. I think I didn't take a trade, but then there was a trade. You can see there was this CV here on London session, and price did come there, took out this buy side liquidity here inside what is CV. Then on price did what Price expanded lower. Before reason entry, I'm gonna reason end because I did scale down to lower time frame. So you can see price did come to that CV or wait for this to be filled, which my entry was going to be LC. Came to this one lot on 1 minute time frame. Price that will come here. Then that's gonna target this lows here. You see here on a 5 minute price did make a CV, price did come there and then a sell off. You see on a 1 minute time frame, which I say it was going to be enter only 50% of this fair value cap. Enter also this one. See we're also going to enter a still stop loss above here. So this was going to be the trade. Flatten on the new low of the day. You're going to be out there. So you can read, guys, you can see what's happening because I've been explaining these things. So that's it, guys. That's why I lost the trade. So this week we are on drawdown of 2%. But we're gonna bounce back. See, we lost this one. So next week we are coming here Monday week 2. I don't really like to trade on Mondays, but then I'll see what the market is likely to do. If I get a setup, then I'm gonna take that setup. But then for now, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you